friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nika coming to you with another video. In this video I'm just going to show you actually step by step of how I start with my Etsy shop, how I get my orders packaged, but I want to take you along that process of printing my labels, printing my order forms, everything, because basically I always have that done and then I'll do my video. But I want to show you some things. Also want to show you some of the things that I purchased from IKEA to get my office together. So I just want to take you along that journey. And also, y'all, I'm so excited that I picked out furniture for this room. There's really nothing in here. There's my desk area, but I'm just excited about getting that furniture in October. And my furniture for my office is coming in September, around the 20th or something like that. But I'm so excited about that as well. So I just want y'all to see basically how I just get everything processed for you. So I just want to do a little vlog to let y'all guys and girls know what is happening in the closet. So I got some packages over the weekend from IKEA, so I want to show you basically what I have here. So here are the boxes. Let's see. So I don't know when exactly this video will come out, but the storage containers that I have is for just storing my stickers and just storing like random things that I have. So my it's a glass bookshelf that I got 2 of them. So I'm waiting on that to come. And so now let's get into my Etsy order. So now for the process of my Etsy orders, I'm going to print out all of my order forms, and then what I'll do next is print out my shipping labels. And of course I can't show you that process because of privacy. And print out my labels for my orders. But what I have to do is, because I don't have a label machine, I actually just print them on a regular sheet of sticker paper, and then I'll just cut them to size. So that's kind of how I do mine right now until I get to the point where I'm able to get a label machine. I chose not to get one right now because I need another printer, because one of my printers was acting up. But I do have a laser printer that I print all my my order sheets. I can't even get it together, but hey, this is a vlog and I'm just trying to be free of what I'm doing. And then once I do those 2 steps, I look at my inventory to see what I have and what I have to print and cut. So that takes a little time. I do have things already that's already printed, but I don't know exactly what I have in inventory and what customers order. So that's kind of where the process really takes the longest, is really cutting and printing out my stickers. And then what I do next is I have to print out samplers because I ran out of that, so I haven't done that yet. So I will do that at the end because I want to make sure I get my stickers cut and print and cut or whatever. So I'm gonna take you along that journey of this because it is something that I think you should, know. I know other shops that's out there on YouTube does the same thing, but I just want to show you as my subscribers what I actually do. So basically what I'll do next is just go through all of my invoices and see what I need and go to the next step. So what I do next is I get out my, that's not it, all of my stickers that I already cut, and I also have these stickers in here. And then basically what I would do is I would use my, what I need here. And so these are my order forms. So I look through my order forms, and then whatever I need to cut, then I will write them in this book. So I use this book just to put down like the stickers I need and how many I need in there. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So I just want to take you along that process too of getting all this together. Okay, so let's get started with that. all 9 orders, and pretty excited about that. And I hope that you enjoy this video. I try to show more information of what I do, how I print, how I cut, how silhouette works a little bit. But I hope that you enjoy this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.